Hello everyone, this is my CS50 final project, a leave management system made with Python and Django. So first, if you don't have an account, we can register for an account like this. And if you are a manager, you tick this checkbox and you can register like this. And so this is the home screen of the manager's account. Alright, now we will go and take a look at how you can apply for leave. So if you're an employee, you register in the same way, except you don't tick I'm a manager, and this is the home page that you will see. So there's annual leaves, which helps you keep track of how many leaves you have. In the future, I will make it such that it's customizable how many annual leaves you can set, but for now it is 14. And how to apply is basically, if you want to go for half day, say today AM leave, you can select both start and end date on the same date. So let's try that like this, AM and AM. So this will be a half day, and you can see how many days that you are taking by pressing this button like this. And say you didn't input, and so this would not work. So we'll go ahead and select a half day leave today and select our superior. So if you select this this is your manager, so the leave application will be sent to this user. Alright, we submit and you can see that the information has been cleared out. Let's go to the manager's account. As you can see, this is the manager's account, and this is your employees, and this is the approved leaves you can see, so that you can manage when your juniors or your teammates are on leave. And as a manager, you can approve or reject leaves. So as you can see, this was the one that we just applied, so you can go ahead and click approve, and you can see it updates here without having to refresh the page. So you can also reject, like say, another person's leave. So let's go ahead and go into employee tools account. As you can see, there are 14 days by default, and so if you reject, as a manager, if you reject your employee's leave, the leave would not be it would not be deducted from the employee's account, as you can see here. Alright, let's go back to the manager's account, and let's say you want to add a new member to your team. So you can do this by selecting here, or rather you can type it out like this, and then when you click add, it says added new member to your team. If you go ahead and refresh, here it is. You can see that you've added a new member to your team. Right, the final requirement is that my website has to be mobile responsive. So let's go ahead and show. See, if we adjust the size, you can see the display changing and slowly shrinking. And if we make the display wider, you can see it slowly adapts to the width. And it's not just for the manager's account. We can go to the employee's account like this, and similarly it also shrinks like this. Alright, that's it for my project. This is CS50 Web